Hey everyone, need to cash out your crypto from your Ledger wallet into your bank account? No worries, in this video I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, connect your Ledger device to your computer and open Ledger Live application. Make sure your firmware is up to date. And since you can transfer crypto directly from Ledger to your bank, you'll first need to send it to a cryptocurrency exchange. Open Ledger Live, go to the send and select your crypto asset. Enter the exchange wallet address and confirm transaction. Once your crypto arrives at the exchange, navigate to the sell section and choose the crypto you want to sell. Select your preferred fiat currency and complete the sale. The funds will now be in your exchange account as fiat currency. Now it's time to withdraw. Go to your withdrawal section of the exchange, enter your bank details, specify the amount, and confirm transaction. Processing times vary by exchange and bank, but it usually takes about 1 to 5 business days. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from your ledger into your bank account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.